So you want free Google Veo 3? Well, you clicked on the correct video.
Let's go! The lion drops in, building speed, and there it is, a perfect backflip. He sticks the landing. What a ride.
So, how long do you last, Flash?
At top speed, I can finish about 100 times a second, but you'll be cooked.
These incredible videos were all created with Veo 3. And while the new Veo 3 normally comes with a hefty price tag, I'm going to show you exactly how to get free Veo 3 access and start creating amazing content like this today. This method I will show you is the only legitimate way to get Veo 3 for free, and it's simpler than you think. I'll even show you a trick to get even more free videos. It's a two-part process that can get you hundreds of videos for free. The first step, we'll get your 1-month trial. If you're outside the US, the first thing you need is a VPN. Let's start by installing our VPN in your Chrome browser. Search for free VPN extension for Chrome, and you'll end up on this page. I'll also include the link to this page in the video description. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Once it's installed, you'll see the VPN icon in the top right corner under your extensions. Click the icon to open it, agree to the terms. Then click the Location tab. Select USA, choose any location within the US, and click Connect. Next, head over to the official Google Veo 3 page in DeepMind. Again, the link is in the description. Once there, click Try and Flow. Flow is the better option because it gives you more features and the ability to switch between models. So click Try and Flow. Once you're in Flow, click Create with Flow and sign in with your Google account. After logging in, click on Create New Project. Then, if you click on your profile icon, you will see that Google gives you 100 credits for free to try out Veo 3. But if you click the Upgrade button, you will get an even better free offer. A 1-month free trial with full access to all premium features. Click Get Offer, and just like that, you now have free access to Google Veo 3. And now you have 1,000 credits. The credits does not stack up, so make sure to use your first 100 free credits up before you upgrade to the 1-month free trial. From here, you can choose the model you want to work with. The Veo 3 and Veo 2 fast models cost 20 credits per video, while the Veo 3 and Veo 2 quality models cost 100 credits per video. I recommend starting with the Veo 3 fast model. Next, choose your creation method: text to video, image to video, or ingredients to video. For text to video, simply enter your prompt in the box. You can ask ChatGPT to create prompts for you. Just type something like, "Help me create text-to-video prompts for Veo 3. Please include dialogue for each character. Make sure each character only speaks once and use the highest quality possible. Ask me first what video I want to create." ChatGPT will then ask you what kind of video you want to make. Just write what you want to create and let ChatGPT create the prompt for you. Copy the prompt and paste it into Flow. Then generate the video. When it's done, you'll have something just like this.
Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with the latest AI tools.
Simple and amazing, right? With this method, you'll get 1,000 free credits, which works out to about 50 Veo 3 fast videos. Now for the second part, this is where we go from free to even more free. I will show you how you can generate videos without using your Flow credits. Here's how. Go to Google Vids. The link is in the description. Log in with the exact same Google account you used for your free Veo 3 Pro plan. After you log in, you'll land on this page. On the right-hand side, you'll see a tab called Veo. Click on that, and you'll notice it's running the Veo 3 preview model. Here, you can enter your prompt. It allows up to 1,000 characters. You can also add a reference image to use it as image to video. To demonstrate, I'll paste in a random video prompt and click Create. After about a minute, the video is ready.
Which YouTube channel is the best?
Authority Edge.
Just click on Insert to add it to the timeline. Now, to prove this doesn't use any of your Flow credits, I will go back to my free Google Pro trial account in Flow, and as you can see, I currently have 980 credits left. I'll go ahead and generate another video in Google Vids with a different random prompt. Once it finishes, here's the new video.
If you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.
Now let's switch back to my Pro subscription account. I'll refresh the page, And as you can see, I still have 980 credits remaining. So that confirms it. Generating videos in Google Vids with the VEO3 preview model doesn't burn through your Flow credits. To download your video, click on File, and then click on Download as MP4. Google Vids gives you a limit of 10 videos per day, which means you can get up to 300 extra videos in a month on top of the 50 you get from your trial. That's a total of 350 VEO3 for free videos. It's an incredible amount of content without paying a single dollar. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please don't forget to hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this and stay up to date with the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.